So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple online digital signature. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. Let's open the Google Chrome browser. You can do the same step from our smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for onlinesignature.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to this website, a very simple website. Now either you can drag and drop a document out of which you want to create a signature, you want to add the signature on, or you can directly upload the file, or and add the signature you want to add on the file. Just simply click on this option, and you need to browse the file over your computer. And once you open your file, it wanna give you the option to check mark the sign your website, the sign your the document you have. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.